tusambe wamu nga team netusobola kufuna goal yaffe defending koge badde sinyangu especially in set pieces abadde bazifuna nnyo nga batwatakinga nnyo naye tugeeza okugandazinga team kwogera nga team netusobola okuba omupiira kubanga kikulu kibadde kya free points era tusobola ozifuna twebaza katonda biro ebivuddemu olunaku olwaleero tujja kitwala omupiira okuddako kubanga omuntu bakisinga okwagala naye kati obujja gwe bukulu.
In that regard, in preparation for the match, we have prepared every detail. I'm very proud the way we have done the preparation. We have seen where we are. I want to give the credit to the players for the very hard work. Game started in very tough pace. Opponent tried on counter-attack to get us and to score. We had also chances to re-counter on them and to bury the game. It didn't happen. That collision of Juko changed our formation from 4-1-3-2. We have gone to 4-4-2 later, with Mia being off Massa. It worked for us. We scored that goal.
This is Kingdom TV.